Good day everyone. Today we are going to fix the wire which connects simply a car with the inverter. Okay. A friend of mine complains that his inverter is not working. He needs 110 volts for certain devices in his car. So let me show you how to fix it very quick. Okay, well, I'm going to use digital multimeter in order to find out where is my problem. Okay, so first of all, you're supposed to keep in mind that this tip is my positive. Okay, so I'm going to switch my digital multimeter to check the continuity. Most of the time this is labeled by the diode symbol or like a music note. Okay, so if you are going to short two wires, you are going to hear the sound. When you have digital multimeter generating this sound, it means there is continuity, the current is flowing. Okay, so let's check if there is continuity between the tip and the red terminal. Okay, so let me check. So it means that the hot wire, I call this positive terminal, okay, is connected to, the tip is connected with the terminal which goes to the inverter. Let's check the negative one. Okay, so this is my negative terminal. This one is my negative terminal. So please notice that we have no sound. Okay, no sound. And let me show you something else. It feels that this wire is broken over here. So let me just hold this over here and hold this one, and see when I'm moving this wire, okay, there is sound and there is no sound. Okay, so it means that probably this wire is broken over here. So what I'm going to do, I will simply remove this thermo insulation, cut whatever left over here, and I'm going to solder it again. Let me show you where is the problem. I'm going to try to make like some kind of surgery, and I'm going to show you the problem. I'm going to remove the, see, this is the problem. The thermo insulation was holding this terminal. Okay, so I'm going to remove it. I'm going to keep this one. Alright, and this is the new thermo insulation. Let me just find the length, proper length for this connection. Let's be like this. It's going to be good enough. So right now we are going to use vise, because this piece is going to get very hot when we are going to solder it. Alright. Next I'm going to strip the wire. Okay, the wire is stripped. Looks good. Okay, this is my solder iron. And first we have to clean this up a little bit. Okay, the vise is cold, That's why it is cooling down this terminal. See, I'm cleaning this up. Okay, the terminal is clean. It's ready for the connection. Okay, don't forget to put the thermo insulation. Okay, and now we are going to solder the new connection. Okay, looks good, beautiful. Now, we're going to solder it to the terminal. As you could see, it looks beautiful. Okay, it's very good connection. So now I'm going to just move my thermo insulation, and now we're going to use the hot air gun. Okay, as you could see, it looks almost like brand new. Okay, now we're going to test it. Again, I'm going to use digital multimeter, but keep in mind at this moment this terminal could be very hot. We have to wait a little bit. And let's see. Okay, one more time we're going to check the positive terminal. Okay, touch the tip. So positive is working. And now let's check the negative. This is my negative terminal. Alright. So it's working. Okay. We can move it. Still working. Okay, so as you could see, the current flows from the tip to the red terminal, from the negative to the negative terminal. So the inverter is going to work again with no problems. Okay, if you like this video, please give us a like, consider subscription, and I will see you in the next one.